Yes. Find the distance of the point. Find the distance of the point A 1 minus 3 minus 7 from the origin. Just simple, no doubt. OP equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square, given that x equal to 1, y equal to minus 3, z equal to minus 7, OP equal to, or OP instead of that OA, because the point given is A, root of 1 square minus 3 square minus 7 square. 1, 9, 49, 59. Distance of the point from the origin is very simple formula. Now, let me go for the next formula. Just similar to the two-dimensional case. There also you have done this particular type of problem. But only two coordinates were there in that case. Distance of any point from the origin. Now one more extra coordinate, z. Second formula is distance between 2 points. Second formula, distance between 2 points P x1, y1, z1 and Q x2, y2, z. There also we did the same thing, distance between 2 points, but coordinates only x and y. Here, problem same, but 3 coordinates are there. X, y, z axis. 2 points are P, x1, y1, z1, Q, x2, y2, z2. But remember, it is 3-dimensional, not 2-dimensional. You have to find a distance between P and Q, this one. Let me draw the figure carefully. Perpendiculars PM or PM here, let me call it PN, Q, R, QR, QS. Actually this one is perpendicular, not to the axis, remember. Very complicated thing is that one. It should be to the plane, not to the axis. Now, this one. PQRS. PQRS. Here, Totally you must think this one is three-dimensional figure, that's all. Enough. Draw the figure correctly. Because it is three-dimensional, just by taking small model at home, you can verify yourself. By taking a straight line or a small rod, you can imagine what about the coordinates. Now, we need a distance between 2 points. Let me write one by one. First one is, let P x1, y1, z1 and q x2, y2, z2 are 2 points. 2 points. P, M, Q, R are perpendiculars on xz plane. Pn, we can give any number of names here. Any number of names. PMQR over PMQR. Pn perpendicular on YZ plane. Join MR. PS is perpendicular on QR. Enough. Right? Now come back. What you want? Distance between P and Q. Consider the right angled triangle. Consider the right angled triangle. Right angled triangle PQS. Right angled triangle PQS. It is using Pythagoras theorem. PQ square equal to PS square. PQ square equal to PS square plus QS square. Got it? PQS. PQ square equal to PS square plus QS square. But PS is exactly equal to, it is this one, see, remember. PS is exactly equal to MR, don't confuse with that one. It is actually the projection, same length, on the XZ plane, MR. So MR square is, therefore, MR square is perpendicular. M, that is why I told you, some name should be given there, T. MT square plus TR square. mt square plus tr square. Again, PS is exactly equal to mr. mr square means it is actually in the xz plane mt square plus tr square, which is equal to mt here. From here to here it is x coordinate. Here to here it is x coordinate x2. From yz plane it is x2. From here to here it is x1, x coordinate. This one actually it is from the floor. Remember, don't confuse with this one, x1. So, mt is x2 minus x1. Again, see here, you need mt. From here to here, t, it is x2. Same distance, this to here, x2. Here to here, it is x1. So, difference is x2 minus x1. Plus tr, again here, tr. From here to here, it is z coordinate. Here to here, z coordinate of this point, z2. This particular portion is z1. z1. Z coordinate of this point, see, from here to here, same, z1. So, let me write here, z1. This is z2 minus z1 whole square. Therefore, pq square equal to ps square, which is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square plus write qs square as it is. Again, qs equal to qr minus sr. qr minus sr, which is equal to y2 minus y1. Total height from here to here y2. From here to here sr is y1, y coordinate of that point. So, come back. PQ square equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square plus qs square is y2 minus y1 whole square. Finally, let me write the formula only enough. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. Just a similar formula in the two-dimensional case. Two-dimensional case also you got the same type formula, but only one coordinate is less there. One coordinate is less. So, derivation of the distance formula over. PQS over, no? Less. Now let us take one by one problems. Distance formula, derivation over. Problems. Find the distance between Problem number 1. Find the distance between following pair of points. Following pair of points. One, subdivision 1. A 2, 3, 5. B 4, 3, 1. Distance between the following pair of points. Find AB is root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 are 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 1. AB equal to root of 4 minus 2 whole square, 3 minus 3 whole square, 1 minus 5 whole square. Root 2 square, 0 square, minus 4 square. 4, 0, 16, root 20, or 2 root 5. Distance between the points A and B is 2 root 5. Problem number 2. Second one. 2 points are A 2 minus 1 minus 3, A 2 minus 1 minus 3, and B minus 2 1 3. Two minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 1 3. A be equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2 are 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 1 3. A be equal to root of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Careful, minus of minus comes there, be careful. Minus 4 whole square, 1 plus 1, 2 square, 1 minus of minus becomes plus, 1 plus 1, 2 square, 3 plus 3, 6 square. Root 16, 4, 36. Root 56. 36 plus 20, 56. We can remove this one, 2 root 14. Removing a 4 outside. 4 into 14 is 56. So 2 root 14. Distance between the points. Next one is problem number 2. Show that the points minus 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 7, 0 minus 1 are collinear. Only Z coordinate is extra. Everything remains same. What you have done in the two-dimensional. Collinear means 3 points lie on the same line are said to be collinear. Lying on the same line. But how to do this? First point, let me call it as A, B, C. But remember which point comes first or next one, we don't know that. Anyway, totally what you have to do is find the distance between A and B. Find the distance between B and C. Find the distance between A and C. If you find AB plus BC equal to AC, points are surely collinear. Correct, no? Points are collinear only when AB plus BC equal to AC. So you have to apply 3 times the formula, distance formula. Right, let me do that. Let A is minus 2, 3, 5. B is 7, 0, minus 1. C is minus 2, 3, 5. Wrong. Minus 2, 3, 5. B is 1, 2, 3. Minus 2, 3, 5. B is 1, 2, 3. C is 7, 0, minus 1. Now it's okay. Find the distance between A, B. So write once the formula enough. Formula PQ equal to, let me write once. X2 minus X1 whole square, Y2 minus Y1 whole square, Z2 minus Z1 whole square. To find AB. Formula once you have written. To find AB, X1, Y1, Z1, X2, Y2, Z2 are minus 2, 3, 5. Minus 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. AB equal to root of 1 minus of minus 2 whole square. 1 minus of minus 2 whole square. Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Z2 minus Z1 whole square. 1 plus 2, 3 square. 2 minus 3, minus 1 square. 3 minus 5, minus 2 square. 9, 1, 4. 9, 1, 4. So it is root 14, no doubt. 9, 1, 4. To find BC, X1, Y1, Z1, X2, Y2, Z2 are. Now you are finding the distance between B and C. Write carefully. coordinate of B are 1, 2, 3, 7, 0, minus 1. BC equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. 6 square minus 2 square minus 4 square. 6 square minus 2 square minus 4 square. 36, 4, 16. Root 56. 20, 56. Last one is to find AC, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. AC minus 2, 3, 5, C, 7, 0, minus 1. AC equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square, equal to 7 plus 2. 9 square minus 3 square minus 6 square, or it is root of 81, 9, 36. Root of 90, 126. But what about this one? Condition is AB plus BC should be equal to AC. We don't get that. 14 plus 56, 70, not equal to 126. But don't see the number inside the square root. Have you taken the square root? If you take the square root, then if you compare, then only we can say whether it is collinear or not. So root 14, leave it. Root 56, let me write here itself. 2 root 14, correct, no? 4 into 14, 4 is removed outside. This is 9 into 14, which is 3 root 14. Yes, no? Root 14 plus 2 root 14 equal to 3 root 14. Clearly it is so. Clearly, AB plus R, first let me write the numbers. Root 14 plus 2 root 14 equal to 3 root 14. Or AB plus BC equal to AC. Therefore, A, B, C are collinear. A, B, C are collinear. Just finding 3 distances, you can say whether they are collinear or not. Yes, let me continue in the next video.